Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem kuranwe. All right. Beep.
I want to say a very big thank you to everybody for the support so far. God bless you all. I want to say thank you to the Volta Regional House of Chiefs, Toby Busivo Evelia, Dr. Emmanuel Kojojon Mensah, Madam Jeanette Amega, fellow Jolalians, fellow Rotarians, Jerry officials, and Team Selorm. God bless you all for all that you are doing in the name of Selorm. There are a lot of problems that young ladies face when growing up. Tonight, I'm taking you through one of the challenges and how to overcome them. My people, eviction is here, and I don't want to go home. Many banam yakata. Dial *713 *13# and continue to vote for Selorm massively. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Hello, baby. Yeah, I just received the money. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Please let me call you back.
Take a very good look at you.
Of course, I'm looking at myself. I want to be like when I told you to follow me to see the big man. Did you go?
I don't want to look at me. You want me to come in?
Hi, ladies. Can I talk to you?
Talk to who? Excuse me.
Hello. My sister. Come, let me talk to you. I had a friend just like yours. She was vibrant and all over the place. Wanted to live a lavish life without going through the right ways. So she decided to embark on a journey. You sit, I'll tell you the rest. One day, I had a call that my friend is at the airport. I was very happy, thinking I'll be looking at my friend's new transformation. But no, it was the remains of her dead body. Oh, God, I see no. Oh, she died from a failed body enhancement surgery, which is one of the first risky steps that young ladies take to impress others. Some of these young ladies also contract deadly diseases like HIV from exchanging sex for money in order to afford the luxuries they want. Others become victims to malicious individuals who use them for rituals. Hey, God. But listen, I do not blame us young ladies because, as you can see, unemployment is making the issue not any better. And if you take your phone search right now, the social media pressure that they are giving us will make you not to be able to identify the real life from the fake life. Oh, God. And also, you can see that some of us do not have the guidance to support us in achieving our life pursuits. Not to mention discontentment, which is contributing to this fake lavish lifestyle and the urgency of living the fast life. But I was fortunate to have a mentor who advised me and I listened. How I wish my friend Esinu had the patience to listen to advice, because mentorship goes a long way in changing our lives for good. And having a mentor like our three beautiful judges who have worked their way to the top through hard work and determination will help you to focus on your future. Also, I also encourage parents to listen to their children. Pay attention to them and love them. Encourage them to learn soft skills like sewing, braiding, baking, and others for them to have something to fall back on. I also urge non-governmental organizations to continue to create awareness on women empowerment and advocate for the girl child through seminars, symposiums, and forums, because this goes a long way in changing our lives for good. I also appealed with the government to push the agenda of entrepreneurship at the basic level to enable young people create their own jobs right after school to reduce the rate of unemployment and the urgency in living this fast life. To all the young ladies in here, let me tell you something. Your true worth does not come from the accumulation of material possessions, but it comes from the strength within you. So right now, let's all come together to create a future where women can shine without compromising their integrity. Because I believe that the future is women. Thank you.
You can also shine without compromising your integrity. Selorm from the Volta region. Ladies and gentlemen, Janet, I'm coming to you for your impressions on this one.
Selorm, Efonama, I'm a Shamala, okay. You look gorgeous tonight. And what you touched on is a very, very crucial issue. But what I gotta say is you touched everything. You did so well. I just have to add a few things because I'm a mentor myself and I coach a lot of young ladies. Young ladies, if you're listening to me, be wary of the people who you call friends. They are not necessarily your friends, and they will misguide you in life. After all, what is life? Life is the choices you make and nobody else. Don't kid yourself that when I have so much money, I can eat better, I can be in a bigger mansion, I can wear this, I can wear that. Life is not a race. Even if it is a race, everybody's running at their own pace. Choose your pace and run your own race. Please do not compare yourself to anybody else. Your only competition is you. Identify your gaps, close them, and go and pursue your dreams. Well done.
Auntie Janet with the bars on bars. Let's go, of course, to A4.
Thank you, Selorm. You did very well. And like Auntie Janet said, well done. Well done. This is a very important topic. Most of us, in fact, even adults, are going through this. We are struggling to keep our pace with what the society expects of us. But like Auntie Janet said, it is not a race. You know, you start with somebody, the person goes ahead, but you also go ahead, and it's all in your head, what you want to achieve. So I agree with you that this is something that it's worth talking about, and it's a good subject, and you have addressed it very well. Thank you very much for sharing with your colleagues.
All right, give it up for Selorm as she goes backstage. But do remember.
And right now, Ghana, worldwide, I'm locking it down with Everlove TV. Make sure you press the notification button and keep the notification bell on so that when we drop new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe.